Gallery launch gallery. Chop it up. Launch gallery gallery. Aero asset and JetEdge. Donald Trump is looking to unload one of his personal helicopters, and it seems like he's hoping someone makes him an offer he can't refuse. Like, literally. Sources tell TMZ, the former president recently put one of his personal choppers on the market, but there's no exact asking price, and potential buyers can just submit offers. According to the online listing, Trump's helicopter is a 1990 Sikorsky S-76B, and we're told the market for these kinds of choppers is usually around $1 million. TMZ broke the story. Trump put another one of his personal choppers up for sale in November when he was still in office, and back then the listing also said make offer. Alamy. We're told this new one, being sold through an aerial retailer via Aero Asset, is the exact same model as the one Trump previously listed. Remember, Trump's owned 3 Sikorsky S-76B helicopters over the years, plus other private aircrafts. As you can see, the helicopters got all the typical Trump bells and whistles, like gold seat belts and gold handles, plus upholstered leather and custom flooring. Waiting for your permission to load Vimeo video? It's unclear why Trump's trimming his aerial fleet by unloading yet another chopper, but hey, another mil in your pocket never hurts.